We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with BBBY, Bed Bath & Beyond Inc. having an explosive move to the upside, breaking through key resistance levels and having volatility here towards the second half of the day and in today's after hours. Now, it wasn't the only stock experiencing volatility. The overall market in the SPY did as well, and our SPY bot at 11 a.m. sent out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, bull strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 100% plus within minutes to an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge over the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, we're gonna break down what's going on with BBBY charts, as well as the inflow versus outflow and bull and bear indicators, and was this a short squeeze just beginning or ending? We're gonna break it all down in today's video, but before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Netflix bot. Our Netflix bot sent out a bear indicator at 9:55 a.m. and from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside, pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 80% plus within minutes to an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to our Discord, getting connected over to the 42 vision indicators. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with BBBY, Bed Bath & Beyond Inc. doing a full transition from red bars to bright green, and now all the way back down from bright green to red bars. If it's your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips to the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with BBBY, Bed Bath & Beyond Inc. getting a bull indicator here at around 319, and inflows picking up into the bell and even after the bell, and hitting highs here of 4.2 and 4.3 at the highest point of inflows. Right now slightly red, big dip here in the after hours and under a bear indicator, but we have not seen inflows this high in months, right? The last time we hit these highs was in August of last year, and then all the way back here at the middle point of August when things squeezed from around $5 to the highs there of $30. Now, is it guaranteed to make the same exact move? No, but based off the history of the chart, it has room to go to 6.3 and even highs here of 14.6 based off the history of the chart, and something to not overlook. And right now, we're currently only at 3.13. Now, why did BBBY, Bed Bath & Beyond Inc. push up like this? Well, one simple answer, and it states it right here in this article. What's going on with Bed Bath & Beyond? Shares exploding higher, question mark. And it states here that shares are trading higher by some 120% to $6.72 going into Monday's close amid short squeeze volatility, guys. That is the one answer for those inflows to be so high And if you look at the data on Ortex or Fintel, it's going to be interesting as it updates if some of that short interest has actually gone down. Now, at the time of that posting, it was around $6 and some change, but it hit highs here of $7 on the day. And in the volatility here in the after hours, it's fighting to stay above $4. If we zoom in, we could see it there, and it's broken through that support of 390s. But on the 15-minute, yes, it's under a bear indicator here at 552, and outflows are really close. It's going to be crucial if it crosses for the bulls to bring it right back up and cross back over so that strength reflects into the chart and cancels out this bear indicator, or if it could hold itself up above the midpoint to show that strength and reflect it pretty quickly as well into the chart, and in the process possibly cancel out this bear indicator and doing its next leg up. Now, very interesting enough, it's coming nearly right back down to where it started, but the lowest point of the day was around $3.10. We're still away from it by almost 20%, which is up here at 380s. It's going to be crucial though, if the bulls are going to have any strength here, to fight and stay above $4 and for these inflows to stay above. Now, just because it stays above $4 and the inflows are above, it does not guarantee that volatility will go away, right? It doesn't guarantee it'll always go up. Now, it's something to keep in mind at these levels. Now, it continues to pull down lower in the volatility. It's at 370 now as I'm doing this video, and the outflows here on the 30-minute will be crucial if they continue to pull down lower. And I'm going to share with you guys the key levels I would watch. So the first thing is these inflow versus outflows on the 30-minute. If it stays above the midpoint, even though it's red, inflows can end up having weight over the chart. And if it could try to reverse back up and cancel this bear indicator, it could continue that staircase effect to push up upwards, right? Especially if the inflows stay above and they switch from red to green, pulling away from the midpoint to the upside. Now, if this is really a short squeeze like the article states, literally that is all they could say about it, right? Going ahead into Monday's close amid a short squeeze volatility, which is very interesting for them to just go ahead and state it as that, right? Nothing else that they have to state about it. Now, it's very interesting that this is all happening while stores are getting closed. And if you've noticed the trend, a lot of stocks that are actually laying off people have been pushing upwards, a lot of tech stocks. So in this case, since places are closing, BBBY seems to be laying off people. So I don't know, it's kind of just catching on to that trend, or this is actually happening because shorts are getting squeezed out of their positions at this current time and date of what we see going on. Now, is it guaranteed to continue pushing up? No, but there are levels to watch. And as I'm doing this video, the chart continues to fight as it's hitting newer lows to try to get back over $4. So the first level I would watch is 350. That's going to be a critical support level. And to the upside, that is the very critical level of $4. It does not guarantee that the bulls are in control, but something to watch as it was slowing down here in the after hours. And if we zoom into the 5-minute, you could see more of it here. And it's in a dip area after falling from this rip area of bear indicator at 623. It's in a dip area, and I would like to see these inflows pick back up and then also transition from white with red borders to red with green, dark green bars. And then the next piece that's missing is a possible bull indicator and bright green bars in the process. So I'm going to be watching that if it could stay above $4, and then above that comes $4.50, then back up towards $5, and above $5 is $6.50, guys, where things started to slow down up here between the $6.50 and $7 range. And if you actually look at it, it is fighting to stay above and try to find some support here. It's going to be crucial for these inflows to stay above the midpoint on the 30-minute and to pick back up on the 15-minute as it's crossed here. We want to see that go back up, cancel these bear indicators in the process. And in the bigger picture, if you look at the 1 hour, these inflows are all the way up here, sitting sideways right now within the volatility at 4.20. So I'm going to be watching these key levels, these inflow versus outflows and bull and bear indicators. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.